Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is The Guardian's Secret. Long ago, in a peaceful village near the foot of a towering mountain peak, known as the Guardian's Peak, a legend spoke of a guardian who dwelled atop it, safeguarding a precious secret. The villagers celebrated this guardian with grand festivals each year, expressing their gratitude, even though none had ever seen the enigmatic protector. In the village lived a young girl named Alia, filled with curiosity about the guardian's secret, and she yearned to uncover it. On the day of the annual festival, Alia made a decision to journey to the Guardian's Peak to seek the elusive secret. Upon reaching the mountain's summit, she discovered an ancient temple. Inside, a mysterious door awaited her. As she pushed it open, Alia stepped into a vast cave, which revealed an indoor garden at its heart. Standing at its center was the enigmatic creature, the Guardian. The Guardian shared with Alia that within every person's heart resides a Guardian's Peak, where their deepest desires and secrets are kept. This secret was not a hidden treasure, but a course in self-discovery and cherishing one's inner dreams. The Guardian also recounted its own tale. Once a young mountaineer, it had climbed Guardian's Peak, discovered the mystical cave, and chose to become the protector, safeguarding both the mountain and others' dreams. The Guardian revealed that unlocking one's inner Guardian's Peak requires courage, wisdom, and unwavering belief. Individuals must confront their inner fears, discover their true desires, and fearlessly pursue them. Armed with this newfound wisdom, Alia returned to the village, sharing the Guardian's story and its secret. The villagers were deeply moved and now understood the Guardian's mission, as well as the concept that each person possesses an inner Guardian's Peak waiting to be discovered. From that day forward, the connection between the village and the Guardian grew stronger, and the festivals held greater significance. People embarked on a quest to uncover their inner Guardian's Peak and pursue their innermost desires and dreams. They recognized the true value of the Guardian's secret. It was not just a story, but a precious legacy that inspired them to push forward and discover their innermost dreams. Hence, the Guardian's secret remained intact, symbolizing self-discovery and the eternal protection of one's inner desires. This story reminds us that every individual possesses an inner Guardian's Peak, waiting to be uncovered and protected. It encourages us to bravely seek our desires and pursue our innermost dreams, because each of us can be the guardian of our own lives.